If you're not at 8% and you're an agent, you're missing out. It's my first event. It's life-changing.
I have been spiritually moved, mentally inspired, and emotionally connected with everyone that's here. And I'm just so grateful that Cody continues this movement.
It's such an impactful event because it just allows you to think bigger. It allows you to get around people that I never thought I'd actually be able to, talk to, or I'd be too nervous to talk to. But they just want to really pour into you.
8%, let's go!
Whether you're in mortgage protection or final expense or Medicare, health insurance, pet insurance, it doesn't matter. If you're not here, you're gonna miss out.
What can I say, guys? I mean, it's the best party out there. It's a great experience to hang out with great friends and get to meet new ones. It's gonna help you level up in your business more than anything else you can do. So hope to see you at a future one.
I've been in this industry for 15 years, and there's not anything like this.
You were created to do something big. Do you believe that? Because you were.
The door that you might be pushing on, I don't think it's locked. I think you're simply not pushing into it hard enough.
You're one decision away right now in this room from changing your life. One decision.
So just being in the room with these guys has really elevated my mindset to a level that I didn't even know possible.
This thing has been invaluable. I recommend everybody attend. I know one thing's for sure. I will be back here next year. I will be bringing a whole bunch of my team. This is gonna help us grow.
This is the best event in the industry. If you're not here, I don't know what you're doing because we're having a blast up here.
Wherever you are right now, a year from now, you could be in a place that you never even imagined or dreamed of, because it's possible here. So on 3, 1, 2, 3, come on, make some noise. Come on.
I would recommend anyone that's ever thinking about getting into the insurance industry to step into the room, to get around like-minded people, because this will change your life.